In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force a copy in Google Slides or Docs. This is a handy trick for when you want someone else to work on their own version of a file without altering your original. Let's make this process simple and straightforward. First, head over to Google Slides by opening your web browser and typing in the URL or navigating through Google Drive. Once the page loads, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This is an essential step because without signing in, you won't be able to access your documents or use the features we're about to explore. Once you're signed in, you'll reach the Google Slides homepage. Here you can start a new blank presentation or choose a template if you have a specific design in mind. For this tutorial, let's select a blank presentation, giving us a clean slate to work with. Now that your presentation is open, look to the top right corner for the Share button. Click on it. This step is crucial because it lets you generate a link that we can modify to create the forced copy effect. When you click Share, a window will pop up with several options. Click on the Copy Link button, which saves the link to your clipboard. Here's where the magic happens. Paste the link into a new tab or a text editor. You'll notice that the URL ends with the word edit. To turn this link into a forced copy link, simply replace edit with copy. This small change ensures that anyone who clicks the link will be directed to their own copy of the document, leaving your original perfectly intact. And that's it. This simple trick helps you maintain control over your original files while still allowing others to collaborate or work independently. It's a neat way to prevent accidental overwriting and keep your workflow smooth and organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes managing documents